the biggest prize of the night, the grand prizes.
We will start with the grand prize. So who will be the winner for the grand prize, ladies and gentlemen? Here is the short film by this year's winner.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget.
It's all like this and like very cold days.
I'm so tired today. I directly came from the airport. That's why.
Okay.
Didn't have rest, nothing.
Yeah, we haven't seen our rooms yet.
Oh, really?
We don't know where our luggage is. We just landed, you know.
You make me want to
Yeah,
cry.
but just having camera with me because that's the main equipment, right?
Yeah.
So I'm Yaman and he is Shazib.
That's
We are,
Shazib, yeah.
and we are students of filmmaking and art and painting. And this is Tam, our PA. And you know, we are just tired. We don't know. We haven't seen. You know, we haven't met. So no, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. We are here. So I just want to tell you that this competition is for the festival and let's be friends forever. Yeah. Peace.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts.
24 से 28 घंटों के बाद हमें थोड़ी देर के लिए आराम करने का वक्त मिला क्योंकि वेरी नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग एट 5:30 AM हमें लॉबी में रिपोर्ट करना था और 6 बजे सारी टीम्स को अपने प्रोविंस के लिए निकलना था। तब शुरू हुई असल जर्नी।
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move.
It is too hot in Thailand right now and we are being sent off to our location, that is KL in eastern side of Thailand. So good luck.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hey Sam, say hi to the camera.
So, today, what do you think about the shooting plan?
Shooting time?
Shooting plan.
Shooting plan. Alright. We are going to some temples in the start. Yeah. And then we will go to the national park. That is Pangsida. And then we will go to that place of white Buddhist statues. And then the sky. Yeah.
I hope it will be done and communicated.
Yeah, and let's see, we gonna call Gene for the drone, yeah? Gene is not here, he'll be here till 4 and he'll be flying drone for us. And here's our van. Here he is. Team number 16.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeding your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause let's start over now. Rewind. And I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
At what height this place is? At what height? We are at some thousands of feet in Thailand, in Sakeo, and this is the highest point of this province we can reach. This is Sakeo, and it's too hot. It's too hot, and we are rolling. We're still rolling.
I'm done, I'm gone, so don't run from the truth. You're lost, now I know you played me just like a flute. I still can't believe you had me on a leash, cutting all my teeth with all the lies you breathe. 'Cause let's start over now. Rewind.
बहुत शदीद गर्मी है, बहुत शदीद. Well, good, that side. And this is Istam. This is our friend Istam. He's from Thailand. He's helping us, to get to the places. Yes, Istam, say hi to the camera.
Hi. I'm tired.
So shooting was completed like that. फिर हम वापस पहुंचे बैंकॉक because 31st March was the deadline for short film submissions. सुबह 9 से 12 के बीच में हमें सबमिट करनी थी वीडियोस. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा टाइम मिला तो हम गए बैंकॉक देखने के लिए.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been
next day was 1st of April, the screening and judging day. Judges, jury from Hollywood. Whoa, अब आया 2nd April, the grand day, the awards ceremony. I cannot forget this date.
As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give.
Alright, so who will be the winner for the grand prize, ladies and gentlemen? Here is the short film by this year's winner.
उसके बाद सिर्फ एक ही चीज आई, the grand prize. The grand prize. Here it is. कैसा दिया? हाँ? कैसा दिया? नहीं दिया अच्छा? हैं? 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 हैं?